Students, today we will understand what is a cuboid and how to draw a cuboid. A cuboid is a solid figure or a 3D solid. Students, there are various examples of cuboid. Let us discuss a matchbox, a scrub, a carton, a shoebox, a pencil box, a block, brick, a box of Kellogg's, lunchbox, a book, and a cabinet. Students, there are various examples of cuboid. Students, let us discuss what is a cuboid. Students, this is a cuboid. Students, a cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Let us first count the faces of a cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, a cuboid has 6 faces. All the faces of a cuboid are rectangular in shape. Students, a cuboid is like a rectangle, but a rectangle is a 2D shape and cuboid is a 3D shape. A 2D shape is drawn on a paper because it has no thickness. A rectangle has length and breadth, but it has no thickness. But a cuboid has length, breadth and thickness. It has thickness. That is why it is a 3D shape. Now students, we will count the edges of a cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges. Again, I am explaining what is a edge. Edge means a corner or a place where the faces meet. Like this is a face and this is a face. These two faces meet here on this edge and it is a edge. Like it is a face and it is a face. Where they meet, it is a edge. Now we will count 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a cuboid has 12 faces. Now students, we will count the corners. A cuboid has 8 corners. Corners are the points where the edges intersect. Now let us count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now student, understand, a cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Now students, we will learn how to draw a cuboid on a maths notebook. First of all, we will write date on the left corner of the notebook and day at the right corner of the notebook. Then after leaving one line, we will write the heading cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Then after leaving 2 lines, we will draw a rectangle. Now students, we will mark 6 dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horizontally and 4 dots vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we will draw 6 dots horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4 dots vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we will join the lines by using a scale or ruler, like I have already joined. Now student, this is a rectangle. We have to draw a cuboid. For cuboid, we have to leave 2 columns from the top and 3 columns from the left side. 2 columns from the top and 3 columns from the top side. From here we will start. Again we will draw 6 dots horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4 dots vertically. 6 dots horizontally and 4 dots vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will join the lines by using a scale. Your work should be neat and clean. Like I am joining here. Understand? Students, a rectangle has 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. For cuboid, we will join the corners. We will join the corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have joined the corners. Now your cuboid is ready. This is your cuboid. Again, after leaving 2 lines, we will write for example. Number 1, matchbox. And number 2, pencil box. Etc. Students, you can write the examples by your own also. Now students, it is your turn to draw and practice a cuboid on your maths notebook. Thank you students.